Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Bad Tree Productions. And what we're doing tonight is filling you in on what we're going to be doing here shortly. Probably a little bit further away from what we're going to be doing in our next episodes, but Jeremy, tell us.
Power Tour got scheduled here. We're not doing the entire thing, but on June 12th, they will be in Davenport, Iowa.
Oh my God, that's where, well, we don't live there, but it's really close.
It's really close. We're going to totally be there. And we're going to cruise up to Madison with everybody and back to McGregor. So we'll be there. Come check us out. Garage is empty right now, except for the brooms that didn't stay up on the broom challenge thing. We missed the day. Whatever. Damn. It's fine. Damn. But we will be in Davenport. We will be in Davenport June 12th. We're going to hand out some stuff, have some good times. We're going to do burnouts. We're going to have fun. We got the A-bodies coming down there. And we'd like to see everybody. And what do you think, Blake?
If you see us, we're going to be set up with the duster, with the dart. Come meet us. Come meet us. We want to meet you guys.
Yep.
If you don't know us and you just stumble across this and you're going to be on it, come meet us. We want to hear what you guys have to say. Give us the good and the bad input on our channel. Tell us what you're working on.
And give us ideas for content. We're always willing for that too.
Yep. June
12th, Davenport, Iowa.
June 13th, Madison, not Milwaukee.
Madison, Wisconsin.
That's the finish line, and we're 2 hours away from home at Madison, so we might hang out for a little bit. Where'd it go?
Bringing some junk. We're gonna bring some junk.
Go? If a subscriber wants to meet us there, and he's got the coolest car that we meet, he will.
Oh, I thought that was mine.
Oh, he'll get the lower driver's side quarter panel Bondo piece that fell off the duster, and we will sign it. And you'll get stickers and business cards.
Oh,
there's asbestos in it, Jeremy. Come on.
Sorry.
Anyway, so what we plan on doing is going down Friday
to
Davenport, Iowa. Parking with the masses. We'll be there filming. So if you want to be on YouTube, on our channel,
meet us down there. We are certified auto repair. I don't know if you guys count that on or not, but we can help you out or not help you out or make it worse or make it better.
So basically that means if you want to have a beer with us, come stop by our cars, because we will be driving our jalopnik junk ass Mopar A-bodies down there. So look for the dart and look for the cruster.
The cruster. I love that. I love that car, dude. I love driving it. I drove it. I just love driving it in the snow. It's like, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't have any power to make you not want to drive it in any weather conditions. You can't get in trouble
with it.
J-Bo doesn't want me. I like to get stupid. I want to go fast. J-Bo wants me to kind of keep it the way it is and then go get something else, but it's a 75 Plymouth Duster. So what better candidate than to cage and make something radical than a 75 Plymouth Duster is my idea.
Right, I got you.
If you're coming down, make sure you got beer, make sure you got good stories, and make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Stickers will be had by everybody. We're going to get them.
Until we run out.
Come down, say hi, say bye, and then we're going to roll all the way to Madison.
This is a box of goodness for the Duster. Battery relocation trunk kit. From the 90s. Roll control. Hardware for the box. And then we're gonna fuel inject. Let's slide this out. We're putting this big bad fuel pump on her in preparation for the small block. So stick around for that. This was all bought back in the 90s on eBay. If you're a member of our Facebook page, you would have seen the newspaper article from 18 years ago when I won my first ever championship in drag racing, because I was really bad at drag racing.
It was stock car racing.
No, yeah, it was stock car racing.
It was drag racing.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. We love your comments. We got guys from Siberia commenting. We got guys from Australia commenting. We got Doug, Soundman. We got a bunch of your fans coming over here. You know Doug.
Douglas?
Doug.
It doesn't matter what you did, Doug.
As long as you did it with these
Sweet sandpaper.
sweet discs of sandpaper for your DA. So whenever you're ready for them, Doug, let us know. I know we're not Eastwood and we're not sponsoring you, like, wait. And I got a guy that's local here that has really blown up in the last 9 months of just
Never heard of her.
metal detecting. I know it's kind of a different genre, the whole metal detecting thing. I like to call it swinging coil. But Clayton County History Hound. He's really taken off in the past year. He's got sponsors now. He really provides excellent content. If you want to get into a cheap hobby, make sure you check out his channel. If you want to learn anything about sound, make sure you check out Doug at Soundman. And if you want to learn anything about your 2-stroke to your 2,000 horsepower Hemi, make sure you check out Uncle Tony's Garage.
Oh,
he is the man. He helps us just by providing the content that he puts out. So God bless his heart, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy.
So we gotta do that. And then just zoom in on that picture.
Kinda. We could do that.